people, guys, welcome to my kitchen today. Guys, today I went to the shop. Guess I saw sweet corn. I saw some sweet corn, guys. Sweet corn. I had to rush it. I just had to buy them. So I'm going to use microwave. I'm going to cook it with the microwave. I'm not going to cook it on the stove. I'm going to just cook it with the microwave. So I'll just remove a little bit of the skin and then I'll just use microwave and heat it up. So come with me to the microwave. So guys, I've removed it. So this is how I'm going to cook it using the microwave. So I'll just put it in the microwave now. So I'll just put it in the microwave now. So I'll just cook it using the microwave, guys. So we're gonna cook it. I'll put it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, guys. And we'll come back. After 20 minutes, we'll be back. So guys, it's finished now. So let's see what we've got. Woo, look at that. It's all cooked now. It's all cooked, guys. It's all cooked now. Can you see? Very hot. So it's all cooked. See? You just use microwave to cook your maize. So hot. So that's it, guys. Let me enjoy my sweet corn in peace. Very nice. So this is how we just microwave our corn and eat it. We don't have to cook it. Nice.